Hello, Sarah here with the Redhead Review, and I'm redoing the rain in a jar challenge. This time I put boiling water in here, and it's probably been sitting for 2 minutes now, so I'm going to let it sit for just a little bit longer. And then I'm going to add my ice cube, so hopefully this time we'll see rain in a jar. Hopefully. It might be this plate. I don't know. I don't know if that's ceramic or not. I wonder. Let's see. It might be going too early, but the jar's hot. Still not working. I don't know. I think it has to do with the plate. I don't think our plate's the right kind of plate. Not really quite sure what it's supposed to do anyway, but I don't think it's doing it. Oh well. Well, I tried again. Maybe the third time will be a charm. We'll get a different plate the third time. Find an actual ceramic plate, whatever that is. I think it might be thinner. Maybe this is just glass. But the ceramic might take the heat. Like, I think I had a ceramic mug once and I couldn't hold it at all because it was so hot. So that's probably the deal of it. I bet it just needs to be a different plate. Nuts. Oh well, I tried. So, yeah, today was January 10th. And so we'll try again maybe next time. Alright. So stay tuned for the Disney Daily after this, and then we'll try something else tomorrow night. So stay tuned.